Time to check in with CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day, who's also the editor of CoinDesk's The State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick. So the IRS is not going to tax unsold state cryptocurrencies as income. Where are we getting this information? What are the details?
Good morning. So, yeah, that's definitely a headline that's been floating around for the last couple hours, but it's probably pretty misleading, to be honest. So, the IRS offered a individual suing the agency a refund on taxes paid in 2019 for certain digital assets that were staked, Tezos coins that were generated through staking, but taxed as income. And the plaintiff sued because he believes that they should not be treated as income; they should be treated as property, like all other digital assets, and taxed as such, and not taxed. Right now, there's a risk that they'd be taxed twice, both as income and property. So there's a lack of guidance here. Now, what happened was the judge in the case ordered the two parties to come to to make a good faith attempt to settle the case, and the IRS very possibly is just going by that instruction when it offered a refund to the plaintiff. The plaintiff has rejected a refund or plans to reject the refund, and this is kind of being spun in the public as a policy shift, but the IRS hasn't actually indicated that it's going to make any effort at all to shift policy or, say that this is going to go beyond just this one-time settlement offer.
Okay, so it's not precedent setting, is it?
Right.
So I was going to ask, is the purpose of rejecting the refund primarily to do that? In other words, this was done to make a precedent to begin with, and that's why they're rejecting it, or is there any other reason why they're rejecting a refund?
No, it does look like what the plaintiff is hoping for is that by rejecting it, he can take the case to court, to trial, and hopefully secure a ruling that will be seen as precedent for future IRS cases. Now, one thing to note, the case is currently set to go to a bench trial in March 2023. So if that is the case, we're not going to see a resolution on this for well over a year.